Welcome back, guys. You are watching Uniquota, uniqueness at your fingertips. My name is Chandan, and in this video I am going to show you how to earn just doing some simple tasks online. And it can be done from your computer or just your mobile phone. Yes, I'm not joking, just your mobile phone can be used to earn money, and it has a joining bonus of Rs.500. It has a joining bonus of Rs.500. 500 rupees just for registering on this website. So why are you waiting for? Just see this video till the end and register now. As you can see, we have come over our desktop. As soon as you click the link given in the description, you'll go and head out to here. It's a website, daily online jobs. Here you can start your job just by entering your name, email address, and also you can log in directly with Google. I'm logging in with Google here. And see, it's my dashboard, and you can find jobs such as copy paste, article writing jobs, bonus emails, and also play quiz to earn money out here. Daily login bonus is also there, about Rs. 0.50 per day. And also when I go to my earnings and earning summary, see, I got a joining bonus of Rs. 500 with a login bonus of 0.50. Everyone registering on this website will get a joining bonus of Rs. 500, which is pretty cool actually. You can also refer friends out here, and you get Rs. 10 per each friend who registered using your link. I again repeat, you get Rs. 10 per each friend who gets registered using your link. And also you can play quiz out here. See, each quiz Rs. 2 daily, Rs. 2 daily, Rs. 1 daily. So you can earn money playing quiz too. Increase your knowledge and earn money also. And bonus emails are also here. Just request an email so that you will get advertised to your email, and then the money will be credited to your account. And also article writing jobs for pretty literature geeks. Here you'll find start your work. Just one condition here is it must be plagiarism free. The article should be plagiarism free. Just give a submit a new article. Just write an article and submit it. You'll get Rs. 15 per job out here. And also copy paste jobs are pretty cool. When we go out here, we'll find. See, this is just an advertisement. You just have to go to another website and post this ad, so that they will credit you Rs. 10. Rs. 10 per job for copy paste jobs here. I think this website is pretty cool and it will help you out. And also another thing I should here is payment. See, this is my earnings, and here we'll find balance also. If you have any questions, you can also contact the helpline. That's it.